Today's video shows how to clone the BMW MSV90 DME. We can click the help document to view the connection diagrams. Check the required accessories. Install the MSV90 interface board. Show the CAN resistor on the OBP-ICP adapter to the CAN to our drain side. Connect the MSV90 DME. Connect the ACDP host. Open in the ACDP app. Click BMW. Click ECU clone. Click Siemens Contentious DME. Click F chassis. Select the option based on the engine computer model. Click N52 MSV90. Click Step 1. Connect. Please connect the ACDP device with DME. Please do not pull out the device during the process. Click Continue. Confirm the system information and save the screenshot. Click Continue. Confirm the system information again and save the screenshot. Click OK. Connect system finished. Click Step 2. Read write date. Click Full backup date. Please connect the ACDP device with DME. Click Continue. Within trip date, please wait. Please save the trip date. Please note the file storage path. Click Save on the bottom right corner. Reading trip date finished. Return to the previous page. Click Step 3. Disconnected. Please keep the ACDP device connected to the DME. Click Continue. Disconnected. Finished. Please connect another MSV90 DME and prepare to write the original date. Click Step 1. Connect. Please connect the ACDP device with DME. Click Continue. Confirm the system information. Click Continue. Confirm the system information again. Click OK. Connect system finished. Click Step 2. Read write date. Click Full write date. Please connect the ACDP device with DME. Please select the trip date and click OK. Select the trip date file type saving the previous step. Ready to write trip date. Please follow the instruction. Writing trip date finished. Return to the previous page. Click Step 3. Disconnected. Please keep the ACDP device connected to the DME. Disconnected. Finished. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.